its diameter is 5 mm. What is the resistance become? Okay, pag may nakita kayong drawn down, consider nyo na kagad is volume. May volume na kagad yan na consider. Okay, so kung may nakita kayong drawn down. So sabi niya dyan, given natin, mayroon ka daw kilometer of wire. So length 1 natin is 1 kilometer. Ang diameter 1 natin is 11.7 mm. Ang resistance 1 natin is 0.031 ohms. Ngayon sabi niya drawn down daw so that yung diameter 2 niya na is equal to 5 mm. So what does its resistance become? Okay, so R2 ang hinahanap. So, paano daw natin yan isosolve? Okay, gamit lang tayo no ratio and proportion natin. Okay, so paano natin gagawin? So, try natin gamitin yung ratio and proportion natin. R2 over R1. Ulitin na lang natin. Is na lang natin. Dito. Is equal to resistivity 2 over resistivity 1 times L2 over L1 times area 2 over area 1 over area 2. Area 1 over area 2. Okay, drinown down mo lang, so ibig sabihin, same material pa rin siya. Pag same material, ano na ulit yun? Resistivity 1 is equal to resistivity 2. Pwede ko nang i-cancel yan. Magiging 1 lang siya. Okay? Ngayon dito tayo magkakatalo. May binigay na length 1 pero walang binigay na length 2. Tama? So anong gagamitin natin doon? Gagamitin ulit natin si V is equal to LA. Okay? So kunin mo lang si L. L now is equal to ano yung L natin? It will be V over A. So, substitute mo lang ngayon. R2 over R1 is equal now to V2 over A2 over V1 over A1 is equal to A1 over A2. Times A1 pala, I should say. Pag sinimplify mo yan, magiging V2 over V1 times A1 over A2 squared. Okay? But take note, yung volume mo, yung volume 2 is equal to volume 1, parehas lang yan. Volume 2 is equal to volume 1, so magkakancel lang din. So, anong natira na lang? Natira na lang ngayon is ano yung natira? We have R2 over R1 is equal to A1 over A2 squared. Okay? But pwede pa natin yung i-simplify? Paano natin i-simplify? R2 over R1 equal lang yan kay area. Kunin mo yung area, pi over 4 D1 squared over pi over 4 D2 squared, then squared mo lang ulit. Magkakancel lang si pi over 4, so ano lang natira? So R2 over R1 is equal to D1 raised to 4 over D2 raised to 4. So yan ngayon yung formula na gagamitin natin. Okay, so pakitake note na lang yung formula na yan. Okay, so yan yung formula na gagamitin natin. So that will be our working formula ngayon. Sa number 9. Okay? So gamitin natin. R2 over R1 is equal to D1 raised to 4 over D2 raised to 4. So, ano yung R2 natin? Hinahanap. R1 natin, 0.031. Then, D1 natin, 11.7 raised to 4. And D2 natin, 5 raised to 4. Okay, kahit hindi mo na i-convert yung mm, kasi nga, magkakancel lang sila. So, ilan na ngayon ang R2 natin? R2 now is equal to times 0.031. That is equal to 0.929 ohms. So that will be our final. So 0.929 ohms. So that will be our final. So, that is letter B. Pinakamalapit. Okay, paki-screenshot. Part 1. Part 2. Tingnan natin yung next item. 23 at 24. Ano pala to? Should be part 1. Okay, part 1 ng 23 at 24. Okay, sa part 1 tayo, number 23. Calculate the resistance of 100 meter length of wire. So that will be our L1, 100 meter. Having a cross-sectional area of 0.1 mm squared. The wire is made of manganese with resistivity na 50 times 10 of 50 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohmmeter. Okay, drawn out ulit. So, volume lang yan. 3 times its original length. So, L2 ko daw is 3 times no L1. How many times would you expect its resistance to increase? Okay, ganun lang ulit. Same material lang sila. Therefore, same material lang na manganese. Resistivity 1 is equal to resistivity 2. Try natin. Gamitin yung ratio and proportion ngayon. R2 over R1 is equal to resistivity 2 over resistivity 1 times 2 over length 1 times area 1 over area 2. Okay? Same volume lang. Volume is equal to L over A. But take note, ang binigay naman dito is length 1 at saka length 2. So, si area 2 naman yung wala. So, yun yung kailangan nating palitan. Area now is equal to length over volume. Substitute natin. R2 over R1. Ito, magka-cancel na to kasi parehas lang sila. So, L2 over L1 times L1, tama ba? Mali yung nilagay kong formula. This should be L times A. Okay? Kaya dapat ang A natin should be V over L. So this will be V1 over L1 over V2 over L2. Or pag sinimplify mo yan, magiging L2 over L1 squared times V1 over V2. But take note, alam natin ng V1 equals to V2, so magkakancel lang yun. Therefore, our new formula now should be R2 over R1 is equal to L2 squared over L1 squared. Okay, so yan ngayon yung formula naman na gagamitin natin dito sa problem na ito. Okay, this should be our formula. Okay, so yan yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So, R2 natin, hinahanap. Ano yung R1 natin? Oh, walang binigay rin na R1. Tama ba? Pero hindi naman hinahanap yung R1. Pwede pala nating hanapin muna si R1 kasi given lahat. So, first step, hanapin muna natin si R1. Okay, para mahanap natin si R2. R1 mo, R is equal to resistivity over length times area. Okay, so ano yung resistivity natin? 50 times 10 raised to negative 8. Yung length mo, 100 meters. Then, 0.1 mm squared. So, convert mo yan. 1 meter over 1,000 mm. Then, squared mo lang. Okay? So, ilan yung R1 natin? That should be 50 e raised to negative 8 times 100 over 0.1 times 1 over 1,000 squared. That will become 500 ohms. So, 500 ohms yung R1 natin. Tama. Gawin na lang natin dito. Tapos ito, gawin sa taas. Ito yan. Okay. So, next step, pwede na natin kunin si R2. Step 2. Ratio lang naman ang hinahanap. So, R2 over R1 is equal to length 2 over length 1. O, pwede rin ganyan. Squared. So, ano yung R2 natin? Ratio lang. So, R2 over R1 is equal now to length 2 mo. 100. 3L1. So, 3L1 over L1 squared. Kakancel lang si L1. So, ilan ngayon yung ratio natin? That will be R2 over R1 is equal to 9 times. So, that will be our final answer. 500 ohms si R1, tapos 9 times yung laki. Saan yan? That is letter A. Okay, pakipicturean. Part 1. Then part 2. Okay. Next item tayo, ano yung next item natin? Number 24 pa. Okay, number 24. A cube of materials of side 1 cm has a resistance of 0.001 ohms between its opposite faces. If the same volume of the material has a length of 8 cm and a uniform cross section, what will be the resistance of this length? So, mayroon ka daw ang cube. Yun yung cube mo. Ang side ng cube mo is 1 cm. Tama? Ang resistance natin is 0.001 ohm. If the same volume, material has a length of 8 cm. So, sa L2 naman natin, so ito yung L1 natin, 1 cm. Ang L2 naman natin is 8 cm. What will be the resistance? So, R2 ang hinahanap. So, gamitin lang natin yung formula na ginawa natin kanina. R2 over R1 is equal to length 2 over length 1 squared. Parehas lang yan. Doon kanina sa ginawa nating L2 squared over L1 squared. Okay, so direct substitution, R2 over 0.001 is equal to length 2 mo, that is 8. Length 1 mo is 1 squared. Therefore, R2 now is equal to ilan yan? 8 squared times 0.001. That is 0.064 ohms. That will be our final answer. That is letter A. Okay, paki-screenshot, engineers. Okay, tingnan natin. Tapos na tayo sa resistance formula.